Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have the company Pionex and Bit University, and they're looking for a remote influencer marketing coordinator. This pays $60,000 per year on the low end and $80,000 a year on the high end. So this is an Asia-based crypto trading platform, and is looking for an internal legal counsel for its U.S. operations. The company was founded in Singapore in 2018, backed by institutional investors such as China, Xunwei Capital, and Sen Fund, and has experienced fast growth since the start. The company has built a leading crypto brokerage platform with 11 proprietary trading bots that are popular with global crypto traders and investors. The Pionex platform currently serves over 100,000 users on a daily basis and executes more than 5 billion monthly trading volume. We're looking for highly motivated influencer marketing specialists to join our nascent U.S. operations. The successful candidate will work closely with our global user acquisition and U.S. management, also with our marketing teams to handle all ongoing U.S. influencer marketing or user acquisition and other social media marketing aspects of the U.S. operations. We're looking for a highly motivated influencer marketing specialist to join the U.S. operations. The successful candidate will work closely with our global user acquisition and U.S. management, also with our marketing teams to handle all ongoing U.S. influencer marketing or user acquisition and other social media marketing aspects in the U.S. operations. Some of your responsibilities will be research and identify key influencers within designated verticals: United States of America, Mexico, Europe, etc., all the English spoken. Drafting and closing influencer agreements. Develop and execute influencer marketing strategies and creative campaigns in key English spoken markets, United States of America, especially for build the stream of content creatively on YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch. Be in charge of building and managing your pipeline to ensure the achievement of set objectives. Act as a lead point of contact for all matters specific to the influencers. Manage analytical tools to track and evaluate performance. Achieve coverage ROI and target. Lead daily, weekly, and monthly reporting on results, posts, reach, traffic, conversions, etc. Provide feedback and monitor influencers' activity and proactive provide content ideas for influencers. Liaising with the marketing team to create and coordinate construct creative briefs for influencers. Liaise with the community team and external agencies to lead negotiations, close prospects, and execute retention initiatives to ensure the business objectives of the influencer program are met. Be an effective self-starter and ensure all campaigns are successful, metrics-driven, and goal-oriented. Some of the requirements will be a solid understanding of blockchain technology and crypto space is required, degree holder in marketing, communications, or any related discipline, at least 2+ years of experience in influencer marketing, proven ability to work remotely and excel with limited supervision, demonstrable track record of initiating, managing, and monetizing relationships with influencers, preferably managing crypto influencers, examples of acquiring influencers, driving business results with influencers, drafting documentation and agreements. Advanced knowledge of social media trends and technology, as well as how these can be used to identify and build relationships with best fit influencers, for example, YouTube, TikTok, Telegram, Twitch, Discord, Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. Outstanding project management skills, excellent interpersonal and relationship building skills. This role involves liaising with colleagues, influencers, and management across territories, so strong written and verbal skills are paramount. Some of the benefits will be attractive compensation package, base salary and bonuses, working in a cutting-edge field of fintech, blockchain, and DeFi, huge responsibilities from day one, be the owner of your own learning curve, the possibilities are limitless and depend on you. You get to work in a very dynamic environment and be part of an international team, flexible remote workplace, 401k matching, and medical insurance. This is a full-time contract position job. It includes some benefits such as 401k, 401k matching, dental insurance, flexible schedule, health insurance, paid time off, and relocation assistance with vision insurance. The schedule will be 8-hour shifts on call. It includes bonus pay as a supplemental pay, experience marketing, at least 1 year preferred, and influencer marketing, 2 years preferred. Language will be Chinese preferred, but again, it is preferred, it is not required. And shift availability, day shift preferred. This pays $60,000 per year on the low end and $80,000 a year on the high end. So if this feels like the perfect fit for you, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, subscribe to this channel. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day just for you so you can find the perfect one that fits your needs. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.